I drove the Jeep there. And we're like, what's that? We smelled gas. So we came in here, we looked in here, and then we realized this baby's leaking gas. So we had to push it back. Well, I didn't help at all. I ran back to the house. And brought it back here. So we originally parked it right there, but we got it over here. So I think we're gonna fix this up.
So what's the problem?
What's blue? Is something blue? And first of all, is something blue and is it the carburetor?
So we have a no start situation, is that the problem? And we don't think it's getting gas?
We're losing gas.
But we put gas in the fuel tank, right?
Yeah.
So we know we got gas, but the motor's not getting gas, right? So we think we might have a carburetor problem.
Yeah.
Because it's leaking for the carburetor. Okay, let's pop that hood. Check it out. Okay, so we're going to pull the carburetor off. So first thing we need to do is block off the fuel so it doesn't dump fuel all over. And this is the tool we're going to use right here.
To block off the fuel?
Yep, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Yep.
So what we do is we go over here, we find the fuel line, we put it up on the fuel line, tighten it like that, and tighten this guy down. And this is going to block off the fuel so it doesn't leak fuel all over the place while we work on the carb. Okay, so I'm going to pull off the fuel line just like that. Now we got to pull off the carburetor. You're ready to do that?
Okay.
Alright, so now we need to get this guy. We're going to take off this bolt and that bolt.
Wait, what bolt?
This one and that one.
This is scaring me, kinda. There. Which way? Well, I can't even remember. Which way am I?
Did you get it?
I'm getting it.
Set it right up here. Okay, now about the other one. Did you get him more or is he good?
He'll be fine. Actually, I need to get it more.
Okay.
Okay, there comes the curb. Oh.
Dang.
That'll be fine, I can get it. I'm the screw finder.
Right here. Get that carburetor out of there. Now let's take off this. So we twist this off like this. Okay. Twist that off.
Which way?
Just like that. Okay, pull it out. Good job. Now we need to figure out how we're going to get, oh yeah, the choke off.
There goes gas.
Yeah, she's leaking like. Alright, let's see here. Let's get the blowgun, start blowing some things out. Be right back.
So he's gonna get the blower, and then we're gonna blow some things out of this, I'm pretty sure. And then we'll see what we do next.
Okay, we got the blowgun here. Ready?
Oh, can I do it?
Sure can. Blow down the jet.
Down the jet, okay.
Okay, let's do this one.
Can I do it?
We need a flat screwdriver. You got a flat screwdriver?
Yup.
Okay, go get me one.
You're a flathead. Here. I don't think you'll like that one. Flat. This is also a new toolbox that I got for Christmas. Like these, all of these, and a bunch of stuff up here came with it. So, I guess there is a couple screwdrivers in the 2 screwdriver box for me, but does this work?
I think so. Gotta loosen up this.
Dude, does that hurt? Dude, you're gonna die on me.
Need a bigger screwdriver.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You have a bigger one? Yeah or no?
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah. This is one of the screwdriver's bangs. This is another one. This one has more screwdrivers. That'll work. Pocket knife. Okay, what is it? Come on, Dad. To do it.
Did you have any luck?
Yep.
Okay, did that work? Hold this.
Not really. Yeah.
Okay, we need that rubber roller. Let's put the screw back in. I see that there, just a double, triple check. All right, now we gotta put this carburetor back on. You ready for that?
Yes.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay.
Very much.
Let's get the parts we
Yes.
need. Put it back on then.
Yes, very much.
Actually, we gotta put this in first.
What in? What in? What in?
Okay, let me start by putting this in the right way, and then you can tighten it up. Okay.
It's not even getting tight yet.
Got it?
That hurt my finger.
That's not good. Okay. Now we got to put this piece on here, like this. So get your screws.
Where's
I'll hold it.
Wait, it's not in, dude.
Okay. Okay.
Oh no.
Let's undo this now. Fuel line.
What?
So twist this. Twist. Okay. Let's make sure that we're getting some fuel in there.
By what? Starting?
You see if she starts?
Yeah.
Pull the choke, see if she starts.
Can you pull the choke? I'll turn it on. I want to check the gum in here.
Okay, hold up. You have a Phillips head screwdriver?
You have two right there.
Those are flatheads, we need a Phillips.
Oh, that's what. Now I know.
Will you give me a Phillips head? Phillips?
Toot toot.
Okay.
Toot. Okay.
Hey. Come on, bud. Okay. We need a little bit of.
Pull the choke.
Okay. Okay, stop. It's not gas. We should have actually.
What's that gonna do? She doesn't seem to get
Let's see if it
gas.
spark. Where's the spark plug at? Do you know where the spark plug's at?
Gas?
Right there. Pull off that spark plug cap.
Are you sure?
Yep.
What does he mean? What do you think he means? Right here? I can't!
You can't get it off?
I can't. I can't. Oh, there we go.
Get it? Okay. Looks like we need
261.
Let me go get the socket for that. Ready to take this off? Ready? Come on. Take out the spark plug.
Okay.
Okay, do it by hand now.
Where?
Twist it out.
This?
Yep.
What?
That does not look good. Okay. Now we're gonna look and see if we got spark.
Can I?
See if you can see spark on there.
No spark.
It's pretty weak if there is.
No spark.
There is spark, huh? Let's get a wire brush. Let's clean her off. Light her off. We're gonna clean off the spark plug.
Okay. That sounds fun. Time to the fun. Cool.
Spray some starters.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. What?
All right, should we see what happens?
Yep.
We need to jump it. Let me go get a jumper.
A jumper.
All right, see if we can jump this thing. I don't know if this pack has anything left in it, but we'll find out.